afternoon, everyone. Today I am going to conduct a group discussion in this class, and the topic for this group discussion is India versus Bharat. So for this group discussion, we are having two wonderful teams, Team Janvi and Team Abhishek. So in this debate, in this group discussion, Abhishek team is supporting India and Janvi's team is supporting Bharat. So first of all, I would like to call Avneet. You will break the ice.
Hello everyone, my name is Avneet. Today's our topic is Bharat. Why Bharat is suitable name for our country? Nowadays our country name India and Bharat also. But I think India is not suitable name for our country because British named our country India.
Okay. From this side.
India name is not given by Britishans. It is come from Indus River. Indus means Hindu. Hindu means Indians, and Indus River is our pride, and it is not our discourage.
Okay, so I have a question for you all. Do you believe Vishnu Puran? So it means you believe only a single word of Vishnu Puran, or you believe whole Vishnu Puran. So in Vishnu Puran, a one slok is written that Uttaram Samudrasya Dakshinam Himalaya Shreta Tada Nama Bharata Bharati Tatra Santati. It means the country that lies in the north of mountains and the south of snowy mountains, that was called India, and the people who was living there, that was called Bharati. And the country is called Bharat, and the people that live in it, it's called Bharati. It means the name of our country is Bharat, and you believe, and you say that you believe in Vishnu Puran, so you may also believe in this, that our country name is Bharat, not suitable name is India.
Do you follow Indian Constitution do you follow Indian Constitution and their law and order?
We follow Bharat Constitution and its law and order.
No. There is nothing is Bharat Constitution. It is Constitution of India. If we say in English, then if I say in that in Hindi, it is Bharat ka Samvidhan. And the first article of Constitution and first row of first article says that India that is Bharat shall be union of the states. And if you believe in this, you can accept the name of India.
Yes, you are right. Indian Constitution printed two languages. The first thing is in Constitution which wrote in a Devanagari Lipi. It's called Bharat ka Samvidhan, and written in English. It is a Indian Constitution. So according to me, India and Bharat, they are both official names of our country. And what it's mean, India represent the top of the bottom of our country, it's called Jammu, and the lower bottom of our country, it's called Kanyakumari. So top of the bottom and lower of the bottom, him represents snow, and Ale represents a home. So we are Bhartis, and we must proud to say Bharat.
Okay, Prakash said India and Bharat are equal. You said India and Bharat are the two names. India in English and Bharat in Hindi. So you are supporting which language? Which language name? You call India and Bharat is equal. Please.
They both are official names, but according to our all people are Hindus, and we promoted Bharat also. India is also good because India is our official name given by government, given by Constitution.
You are supporting India, but you are supporting Bharat. Why?
No, it is his point of view. So please You have to represent your point of view in front of them. Yes, please.
Geographic identity of our country is and world famous for India. India is named given by Indus civilization when Greek stabilized their society in Indus River. So India name.
India name given by Greek persons who came to history in India, but Bharat name given by Persians who came to Bharat.
India have many names like Aryavart, Jambudvip, not Bharat. So we debated India versus Aryavart, Jambudvip and other topics.
First of all, Bharat is not only a name, it represents our culture and our religion. All Bharatiyas knows our Supreme Lord Bhagwan Sri Krishna named our country Bharat. It means provider of all, provider for all.
Everyone you saying the culture Vishnu Puran, but I know you don't follow it, you don't read it, you read only constitution, a single page of
Constitution.
If we want a self-dependent Bharat, so firstly we have to change our name, India to Bharat, because India is given by British. When when the British people is come from Indus Valley, they come from Indus Valley and they can't pronunciate a single word of Bharat, because we know that Bharat is defined not our nation, the Bharat is defined our whole country, and it's not just a country name, it's our whole, it's just like a Vishwaguru, and they can't speak Bharat, they found easier to say India, so they called India, but the name of our country is Bharat.
You say Bharat name given by India name given by Britishers, but when our country independent, our country ministers like Dr. Ambedkar, when his community make a constitution, why he print 900 time India name in constitution? Why he not change name Bharat? He print constitution of Bharat. Why he printed 900 time in constitution in India name? Why he use?
According to constitution, India name is painted a constitution book, and also painted a word of Bharat. It's represent our culture, and who are those people make a constitution, they know very well, because Bharat is a very oldest name, like Hindustan, Hindu, India, Bharat is a very oldest name of our country, and it's a very traditional full and cultureful name for us, like Puranic literature, Mahabharata, Ramayana say many mantras, many slokas, they represent some words of Bharat.
Don't connect this matter from our religion and our Vedic Granth and from our Vedas, because culture and our dharma both are different, not one. Culture denotes our materialism and dharma denotes our mindset. If you are saying that a single name can change our mindset and our whole life, so then there can't be a biggest illiterate educated idiot person then.
Connect our name to our religion, to our tradition, because Bharat define our name, Bharat define our culture, our tradition, our whole things, because if we change our name, it can promote our culture to the whole world, and we know that in a person who is live in village, they call Bharat, not India, because they know that our country name Bharat. And you are saying that who are saying Bharat is illiterate. No, who are saying India is illiterate, because India is given by British.
India name is taken by Indus River, and Indus River also quotes Hindu River, and in ancient prayer, and all over the world, none of our country, only India, not Bharat.
Bharat name is taken by the Bharat. Bharat is the inclination of Lord Vishnu's Sudarshan Chakra. What is the problem to change the name India to Bharat?
You have only called purpose of tradition with Vedas but India Bharat name have grammatical mistake. Another country person who named Bharat, but Bharat spelling is also similar than Bharat. When he know the proper pronunciation, he pronounce our name, your country name is Bharat. So this is the insult of our country. He pronounced Bharat.
As we all know, this is the modern generation of 21st century. So all the peoples are being shamed to call the India Bharat because they all are modern and they have to pronunciate our country name India because they are shaming to call it Bharat.
You said that 2001 is modern generation. So when the constitution made, it is a time of 1950s something. So our historians takes the name of the India. So it is modern man's modern generation.
That was the 20th century. And I am saying that 21st century is modern century.
1950 is not a modern century.
That is modern century because the telephone is invented in which
No, modern century.
in which year
when you are living.
you are using your mobile phone of Android mobile phone. When that was invented,
No, this is not a modern.
you are using your mobile phone in this century, and this century is modern century.
Modern
So when
century
that
is
thing is made, that thing is invented, so that is not a modern century. That is modern century when you use your phone.
Modern century means is that when the most of the pupils have literate, but the 1950s India is not a literate well.
The whole team are said if we read Vedas, if we read other our cultural traditional things, we are illiterate. How it's possible? Because we know our country as a Jagat Guru. It's called a Jagat Guru. Bharatvarsh. It's a whole universe. No whole worlds. No. It's a very its heritage and prestige is very famous for all worlds, all countries know our nation known as a Jagat Guru, known as a Vishwa Guru.
Our identity is not from our country name. Our identity is from our mindset, our thoughts, our thinking, and our unity. Name doesn't matter, our thinking matters, unity matters, and other things. Not these nonsense things.
Name matter because it define our identity, it define our character, it define our culture, it define our Sanskriti. And if we change our name India to Bharat, Bharat define our culture, which is one of the most important thing. The Thailand changed their name in 1939, Turkey changed their name 2022 because of their culture. They have promoted their culture. We also should promote our culture. So we can change. So we have to change our name.
You said Turkey change our name. What is the new name of Turkey?
The new name of Turkey is Turkiya. That Turkiy, and that new name is Turkiya. And the old name of Thailand is Siam, Siam, and the new name of Siam is Thailand.
But the whole world denote Turkey, not a Turkey. It's called Turkey.
But that pronunciate that thing denoted their culture.
So how can another country's people take our name India to Bharat? They are all say us to Indians.
Many people, many mindsets are present in our earth, and as we know, Bharat is a cultural name. It's a traditional name. It's a whole identity of our country, and it's represent. They both are India and Bharat. They both are official names of our country. and I can't spread any criticism. Some political parties, some political leaders spread that types of criticism. So Bharat is good, and India is also good because they both are official names of our country.
Last point from this
You
side.
call India and Bharat is equal, but India and Bharat is a drama originated by the central government, our central government. When the opposition parties collide and make an alliance named India. When in fact in 2016 when Supreme Court called the change the name of our country India to Bharat, so central government opposed not change the name India because central government name our many policy like Digital India, Khelo India. Central government have any problem about the name India, he oppose. Why he name their policies India? Why?
So now Janvi wants to answer you. So please, Janvi, proceed.
You are saying that you are favor of India. You are not in favor of Bharat. So why in Independence Day, why you say Bharat Mata Ki Jai? You say India Mata Ki Jai. Why you say Bharat Mata Ki Jai?
Yes.
Because our constitution accept both name. In constitution article 1 is written by India, that is Bharat. When we call India in English and Bharat in Hindi.
Okay. It was according to me, it was a phenomenal debate. Actually, it is not the topic for group discussion, but as the things are going on in our country nowadays, so that's why we conducted this debate here. And according to me, India and Bharat both are the names of our country, and we can say that all the Indians can use Bharat, and other people out of the country, they can recognize us with the name of India. So according to me, both the names are good. So thank you very much, all the participants. Clap for them, please.